It's the Eagletec KG011. The Eagletec KG011 is a wired mechanical ergonomic keyboard that is available in 6 colours. We're currently reviewing the white and silver finished one that has a blue LED backlight. This full-size keyboard is made of a durable aircraft-grade silver aluminium construction with plate-mounted custom switches, which according to the manufacturer are equivalent to Cherry MX Blue. In addition, all of its 104 keys employ N-key rollover, which means that even when pressing multiple keys at once, each key press is registered instantly. Users report that they like the gold-plated USB connector because it's durable and offers a reliable connection. This keyboard is also spill-resistant, which I absolutely love, as those accidental coffee spillages won't ruin your fluid keyboard experience. The keys require a medium resistance, have a smooth audible click sound, and they have a 10-level adjustable brightness. Another great thing about the keys is that they're durable enough to withstand up to 50 million keystrokes. So for the price you pay, I think you'll be more than satisfied with the overall quality of the keyboard and with your typing experience. The Eagletec KG011 deserves your attention, so why not give it a try and assure yourself of its quality.